What's up, my loves? It's your girl Brannygiz, and I'm back on your screen, and today I have a different kind of video for you guys. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, keep on watching. Alright, my loves, I am back with another wig review, and this is from Unice Hair, and this is not a headband wig, y'all. This right here, oh my god, it has lace in it. You guys are gonna have to bear with me. This is my first time even trying to tackle a lace wig, so I am going to film me applying this wig and to share with you all how it looks, but we'll get into all that extra stuff. But first, we're gonna go on and open up the box, and let's see what kind of wig I got. All right, so as I open it up, so let's open this bad boy up, you guys. Now, I already opened it up when I first got it, and I was like, ah! This is the first colored wig that is similar to my hair color. Yes, similar to my natural hair color, and this is her right here. Oh, Lord have mercy, she is long, y'all. Yes, she is long. Let me take everything out, all the paper and stuff. But you have your lace. Oh my god, front and back, child. And then you have that middle part. Let me see. You don't have too much parting space, so I would just say right here you can just do that middle part. I don't mind the middle part. Middle parts are really cute. And I'm not gonna, because y'all know I'm new to wigs, so I'm not gonna be bleaching the knots and all of that stuff. But I don't even know if it needs to be plucking. I'm going to try this on. But as you can see, I'm going to open it up inside so that you can see. You have your combs on each side, and you have your comb in the back. So with this here wig, it comes with a little sachet. And inside, let's see, you have your lashes, your head tie, that little silk, that little silk wrap. I believe that is it. Let me open it up so I'm making sure. I'm so excited, but yet I'm like so anxious at the same time. Okay, yeah, so you can tie down your hair. This is cool. I'm gonna need that. I think I'm gonna need that. And it's they put on some nail wraps and a cap. This is a wig cap. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to put this on right now, right? So y'all, I never did a lace wig, and I hope that my braids are flat enough for this wig. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna sit this right here, and we are gonna get started. Is I'm supposed to cut the ears so that my ear okay. Alrighty, so we did the cap little thing. Okay, so I'm gonna be in and out playing music, but I will be talking throughout the video, sharing with you all how I'm gonna apply this wig. But I'm going to get some this is the Got To Be. This is the blasting freeze spray, and I'm gonna just apply it, and we're gonna wish for the best. Okay, so I applied the Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm gonna use something from Benefit. It's called Hula. I'm gonna use something from Benefit. It's the Hula bronzer, and it's the caramel shade, and it's kind of like my skin tone, so I'm gonna apply that to this here cap. I seen Aaliyah J use this, so they said apply it to your cap. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so now that I did that, I guess I'm supposed to make sure that this wig fits. And I'm gonna put it on. Make sure it fits. I'm gonna bring it down some. I don't want it to be bulky. Okay, I have some Bold Hold. This is the lace tint and caramel, so I'm gonna spray it to see. It's semi like the I'm gonna put this. I'm not gonna put that on today. I'm gonna use some of this on the lace in the middle. Just so that it'll blend with my hair. Okay, so that I have it secured, make sure. Okay, so now that I have it down, I'm going to use this wax stick. This is from Care because my hair is all over my head. It's like all in my head. So I'm gonna push it up a little bit. I'm just gonna put it on the sides just to make sure that it's out my face. The final look of how I did this lace front wig, and I just swooped it over a little bit, but I will bring it towards the back so that you can see. This is the back, and yeah, I really like this lace front. It is cute. I even did a little bit of the baby hairs. Your girl did some baby hairs, and I am really liking this unit. I love the color, how the color just blends really pretty. This is a beautiful honey unit, and I love it, you guys. So let me know what y'all think. Now, as far as the shedding is concerned, you will have shedding. What hair doesn't? But it's not a lot. It's for me cutting the lace on the side and in the back, but I can't keep my hands off this hair. It is just, it's ready. I'm ready. So come on, y'all, let's do this. I'm excited. This is my first ever lace front, and I think it came out really nice. So yeah, I can even put it behind my ears if I want to. Yes, y'all. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, thumbs up this video. Let me know that you like these videos and you want to see more from your girl. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.